A lot of Android phones will give you the option to unlock your phone either with face recognition or a fingerprint scan. On this phone, the fingerprint sensor is built into the power button, but on other Android phones, it may be under the display or on the back. To add a fingerprint, go to Settings and then scroll down to Security and Privacy. Then go to Screen Lock and Biometrics. On the top, you see the options to set up a PIN code, password, or a pattern for unlocking your phone. Under that, you'll see Biometrics, and these options will depend on your phone model. On my phone, for example, I have two options: face recognition and fingerprints. Under Fingerprints, I can view all existing fingerprints that have been added to my phone, and I can add new ones. Your phone will ask you to lift and rest your finger on the sensor, and it helps to constantly move your finger and touch it at a slightly different angle so the scanner can capture the full fingerprint, including the edges of your finger. You can add as many fingers as you want, and one pro tip is that if your phone often fails to recognize your finger, you can add the same finger twice. That usually makes the fingerprint scanner more reliable and reduces the amount of failed scans. If your fingers are wet or dirty, that can sometimes cause issues. Also, if the sensor itself is dirty, it can affect the accuracy of your fingerprint scans. Once it's set up, you can unlock your phone just by touching the sensor. No PIN needed. Fingerprint data is stored securely on the device and isn't uploaded to Google or Samsung, so there's no privacy concerns. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of easy guides like this.